What's going on, everybody? I was talking to my buddy Mike Finnegan the other day, and I was telling him how I want to go on a drag and drive. I'd never done it. I've actually built my Camaro to go on some drag and drives, but I haven't got the car done, and that car is going to be a job to take on a drag and drive too. And he's like, hey, why don't you just come get one of my cars? So I did. For those of you that don't know, this is one of their roadkill cars. They don't know a whole lot about this engine. It is a big block Chevrolet. We do know that. We think it's 540 cubic inches, according to Mike. And we know that it has valve train problems. We also know that it has a automatic transmission, which is not cool. So we're going to fix all these problems that this car has. We're going to be pulling the engine out, taking it to our buddies at HED. They're going to go through the engine and build it to where it'll handle at least 1,500 horsepower right in that range. Not saying that that's how much power we're going to make, but that is what they're going to do. We're going to be putting a 6-speed transmission in it. And obviously we're going to do some tick performance goodies to the transmission. We haven't decided yet exactly what we're going to do, but we will be making some upgrades to the transmission before we stick it in. And yeah, so we're going to try to go on a drag and drive with one of Mike's cars. So we've only got a couple of months before Sick Week in Florida, which I think is the first week in February. And we're standing here the first day of November. That's what I'm going to call it. We're standing here, it's the first day of November. So we need to get started and let's make that happen. We're underway taking this thing apart. I got a couple of my buddies here helping us get this thing apart. We're going to get some of the top end stuff loosened up. That way we can get the headers off. Once we raise the car up, we'll be able to pull the headers out, take the transmission out, undo the motor mount bolts once we're under there. That way we can just bring it back down and then we can get the heavy stuff like the blower and obviously that big block pulled out.
Why have a gear vendor when you can have a 6 gear?
Exactly.
My man.
Yeah, think about all the broken differential parts that things they can have.
We gotta go test this thing.
Do you think it's going to get done before?
We gotta do something about it.
Well, you test this by driving to town. My screen.
That sounds good. I'm gonna do some street hits.
Yeah.
Take this thing on up the easy street.
I'll just save my money for the tow truck once we get there.
I'll call Willie.
She come get us where you at, Bradenton. Where's that at? Florida.
We're taking the transmission out too.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck are we doing?
All right, let's go ahead and we'll pull it. Hey,
I didn't strip that out or anything.
that's it. Is that easy?
Where's it?
Sure you have really that? Yeah, we're just. Hey, yo. The angle on the wrench ain't my friend, you think? You got you. But yeah, you're bringing up one offset. Yeah, it's metric. You know, because everything I'm used to working on is metric. Which those might be Chinese. I should have brought my drag. It is metric because it is a yank. Short.
So we can.
California. What size you got?
17.
Let me get you a little better wrench.
Man, by the time you get it, I'll have it.
So,
Sure?
yeah, I think it's the way it's more.
But I won't use it anyway.
It's got a little more leverage too.
I'm glad we didn't yank on that dipstick too much because it screwed the oil pan.
Oh.
If
That with that?
I caught one of them.
Is that?
You gonna let that down, Glenn?
You don't. I think that's the way it's worked.
Right. That one only had one washer. That one only had one washer.
Hang on, we got to make it. Okay, good. That thing you got there through the jumper struts? Yeah. Finally. After years.
Is this 2 of them?
How's the feel?
This is the washer's the burger too. My voice deeper. And you felt the wood like it.
I think there's a bunch more walks on right there. Yeah. Tried to get me.
Yeah, it's probably stuck the flywheel on there.
Yep, through there.
Yeah. What size that can you get that hand? 40 is stitch dip.
It's 9 inches.
Oh, wait. I know that feeling right there, boy. What do you? Yeah, just
Is there a screen in that to catch all the bumps or green dropping?
can you?
Hey, Jesse, will you give me a 3/8 or a socket ratchet?
Socket, faucet,
And quarter nut driver.
Yeah, just hold that about 10 minutes.
Okay, I got you.
3/8 drive.
Yeah,
3/8.
yeah,
And a what not drive?
a quarter. Okay, 16. Oh, well, is that bigger or smaller than 3/8?
That'll just take
Big. That's what I need.
say.
With them wolf water. I think that's too small. Well, if I use the right side with it, that's still a little bit too small too.
probably metrics.
Yep.
What if it's smaller than
We match it. It's bigger than that.
bigger than a 16?
You got 12 then? Probably 12. What is? Maybe
12 or a 13. A 13 will be half. Try the half.
I've not tried half yet.
They have to.
12's already out. Where's it at? I'll get it if.
Try the 12.
So the 11 is about the same as 7/16.
So you got.
These.
Here's a big one bigger than this too. Well, this starter is all like, and it's slippery.
Is that it?
That was it.
All right, you ready for that? Truth or less enough.
Watch it there. Watch it there.
So that means it's like, yeah, it's good. You're half free. My least favorite part is like taking an engine out.
Oh, true.
Cool.
And at least everything having before.
Yep.
One of them.
Wait, what? Goodness.
And that's only got like 4 gallons in it, so.
Uh-oh. So might be a problem. But I probably wouldn't like, hold your breath right now. That looks good. That's cleaner than I expected.
Solid motor mounts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you really think about it, all that holds these motors and stuff in these cars
There's a little 38 piece of steel.
Yeah. All this horsepower, all this stuff. And you got motor mount. I know most of them are plated and stuff, but this car's still got solid mount motor mounts. And it's 2 bolts holding this car together.
Yeah.
We need to get these transmission lines off.
Already got them off.
Yeah, while we was up there playing with the radiator, he was back here working.
That's right, doing something productive.
Yeah. Instead of making a huge
I
mess.
just wanna see the antifreeze out of it. There's some bolt on that.
There it is. Oh my gosh.
You got an empty bottle in here anymore? Any trash in?
Empty bottle?
Yeah.
Something like that. Maybe.
Put them transmission lines in. I ain't used to it, man. I just got trash laying around here and there, you know.
Oh, well, it's good to be clean either way. Hadn't really felt like doing it, if you know what I mean.
That's right.
I just come in here and I build intercoolers and then I go home.
Dude, that video you posted the other day was freaking sick.
Alex probably posted it.
It's probably an ad.
It was an ad.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Take a little bit of chain over it.
That's probably not a bad idea.
Yeah, it'll be alright. It sits flat on automatic. I don't really worry about it myself. But it looks like it's gonna fall forward.
This looks
or
like out of my bank account league here.
Oh. Out of my league. Alright.
It looks like you got one, you know.
Yep.
Where's the big pry bar at?
That's what I was just gonna grab.
There she is.
Probably needs
Gorilla got it.
Nice and easy.
Watch them lines.
That was not nice and easy.
Good.
Yeah, you good.
Dipstick tube, where's it going?
It's good right now.
Just in case we need it.
Come on down. Probably right in the way.
Our dipstick is coming.
Yeah, she's coming.
Just pulling all kind of wires. Is that okay?
I am not for that anymore.
That probably makes you sexy in that, don't it? Oh, what is this red stuff? Ah! It's already got a hole cut in the floor.
Heck yeah.
For what?
For a
Straight
shifter.
Oh,
Dude, this is a 4-speed car.
is it really?
Perfect. Dude, it was, look.
Oh wow.
Oh, we're gonna go with this unit. On back to Ziggy.
But it's a Suzuki, yeah. This will fit right in the wagon.
I guess I need to get it right here. Yeah.
Let's put this on here now.
Well, how heavy? Can you pick it up? I set it over here.
Why, yeah. Are you sure? You and that chain. Who put the chain on?
Right here. Reserve top shelf.
Perfect. Uh-oh, sprung leak. On the rack. Ain't got it.
Gear Star Performance Transmissions. Trash.
No. I need a new rag, okay? Get off there.
I got a mop. We'll get to it in a minute.
I didn't think the drag it anymore.
Yeah, that's why I hate that.
I missed the spot right there. Dude, I got big flexes today. I better watch out. This RC car's paying off. Bucks.
Oh. Yeah, they won't pick up the things this thing's picked up.
Easy does,
Freaking yeah.
I thought she was just gonna hook it right here.
Yeah. Hook it to it. Let me come down a touch.
Matt, can you operate this?
I can do that.
Somehow. Here, put that chain on the fender.
Yeah.
We're out right there. Let's go straight up. You good? You got time. Push it back towards you, Jack.
This ain't bad, it's actually stretching it. It's all in here.
Hang on.
Where you got the striker?
I got it unplugged. We're good.
Yeah. We're good. Oh, well, you got all the nuts in it, it's good.
Those studs are aluminum, they'll break if you yank something too hard.
Get a few more inches.
Yeah. I'm gonna open my lid as far as I can, though. I think it's wedged right now, so it'll be fine. They're weak.
Just don't stick your fingers in it. Get this thing close to there as soon as you can.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
See how fast we go across the floor with it.
Done by lunch, brother.
That's right.
Speaking of lunch.
Yeah, for sure.
So I guess the last time this thing's been on any type of race league was Rocky Mountain Race League in 21.
Quite a while.
It's been a hot minute. But in 26, it's gonna come off line on the back tire. And you're gonna be.
Yeah. All right, guys, so here you have it. The engine is out. It's ready for transport. We're going to take it down to HED probably this weekend, drop it off with those guys so they can go through it and make it right and make it ready to go. Now would probably be a good time to mention that my goal with this, the whole project that I was just kind of gifted, is to try to grudge race Finnegan in blasphemy. He doesn't know that yet, and I know he'll know that when he sees this, but I'm going to try to grudge race Finnegan and beat one of his cars with his own car. So that's the goal. Let's see if we can do it.